going to give us a lot more detail. This is Rich Volpe. He's the global co-head of U.S. dollar rates here at RBS, one of the primary dealers, as I mentioned. Let me get, Rich, first of all, your initial reaction to this auction. We got the hard numbers, but how did it go?
Sure. I think this auction's a little weaker than what we've seen over the past couple of months. The dealer percentage with the primary dealers took down was about 53%. That's a little higher. The average is closer to 48. Seems like the bidding has gotten less aggressive as well, as we had a 2 basis point tail, which means the bonds were awarded about 2 basis points cheaper than where they were trading in the secondary market.
Let me ask about the direct bidders, because I know that that's been a growing issue lately, or at least they've been grabbing a growing portion of the pie as far as the whole is concerned. Those are bidders that don't go through primary dealers, but go direct to Treasury. They were about, what, 13% of this auction?
13%, which is high. About 2 years ago, that ran at about 2%, up to 8% last year, and now it's averaging around 12, 13%. And what that is when investors invest directly with the Treasury rather than going through the primary dealers. The concern there is that they crowd out the dealer community. In the future, they become less significant, and that could lead to less consistent auctions and less liquidity.
Right, because you have to play in the auction. I mean, that's one of the roles of the primary dealer.
There is some metrics that we like to stick to in terms of being consistent, sure.
What does it mean for the business of the primary dealers? I mean, that more people are going around you and straight to Treasury.
I think, again, it's been a long-standing relationship with Treasury, New York Fed, dealer community, and we will continue to provide more liquidity, and I think we'll do what it takes necessary to keep that consistent in the market.
All right, Richie, thanks so much for joining us. Rich Volpe, they're co-head of global U.S. dollar rates here at RBS. I'm going to send it back.